Welcome back to What's Up Electives. I'm here with Miss Delion, and we're going to do an interview about the play for Arts, Beats, and Needs. So, what's going to happen?
Yay! So I am in charge of the Beats portion of Arts, Beats, and Eats. So we have lots of great performances happening at Arts, Beats, and Eats. We're going to have a violinist this year. We're going to have a ballet dancer. We're having lots of duet and solo singers. And you guys are going to get a first look, exclusive preview of some of the SpongeBob musical. And the SpongeBob cast is here right now. Are you guys excited? We've got this is the size of the Arts, Beats, and Eats stage so that they can practice rehearsing their numbers that are going to be at Arts, Beats, and Eats on that size stage. And they've been working really hard, and there's going to be some awesome performances you're not going to want to miss.
I can't wait. I'm going to definitely be there, and that's what's going on right here.
Make sure you get your tickets online.
We're going to pull some cast members and interview them as well. I'm here with Kaylani, and I'm going to ask her a few questions as well. So, what's your role in the play?
My role is a Let's Just Skate and a Sardine.
That's so cool. And are you going to do any songs?
Yes, in the play. I'm gonna be singing Super Caesar Savior and Bikini Bottom Boogie, and I'm gonna be in the Money Song, which we're gonna perform at Arts, Beats, and Eats.
That's so cool. On to the next person. I'm here with Liv, and I'm going to be asking her a few questions. So, what are you doing in the play?
So I'm stage crew in the play, but at Arts, Beats, and Eats, I'm performing with Camilla. We're doing a duet, but yeah.
That's so cool. And are you doing anything else?
I'm gonna help with the set when we do the songs from the play, like Money Money and Best Friends.
That's so cool. And on to the next person. I'm here with Parker, and I'm going to ask him a few questions. So, what's your role in the play?
I'm Larry the Lobster in SpongeBob the Musical.
That's so cool. And you got any songs that you're performing in
Yeah,
there?
I'm going to be singing the Money Song, which is one of the songs that we're going to be performing at Arts, Beats, and Eats. And you can see a lot of other cast members like me in the Money Song, which is one of the songs at Arts, Beats, and Eats. You guys should come to the play and come to Arts, Beats, and Eats. So you can see us perform, and I am a strong lobster.
That's so cool. On to the next person.